AWS AppConfig allows for managing the deployment changes of application configuration, dynamically pulling application configurations, and provide feature flag functionality. Let's define these two things. The first is application configuration. This is your variables and secrets you need to pass to your application to make it run, or if you need any particular parameters you need to tweak for the underlying software. That is what application configuration is. Then you have feature flags. So feature flag is when you can conditionally turn on or off a feature within your application. This allows you to test a new feature, roll back quickly if it's poorly received or there are issues with that feature. So AppConfig can do both of these things. In order to utilize AWS AppConfig, it requires installation of the AppConfig agent, which if you're using EC2, you directly install it on there, but it only supports Amazon Linux 2 in 2023, which I was surprised when we did the lab because I ran into issues where I wanted to move over to Ubuntu, but luckily I saw that the requirements was on Amazon Linux 2 or 2023, and we stuck with that. You can also run it alongside a container as a sidecar. So if you're using Fargate, you could launch it that way as well. The agent will listen on host or sorry, localhost port 2772. And the idea here is that you can request data here. I'm using a curl command, and that is a way that you can do it. But the idea is that whatever the agent is, it allows you to communicate on that 2772 port back to AWS. You don't have to, at least I don't think we had to open any particular ports for that to work, for it to communicate out. You do have to add permissions to read from your EC2 instance to get that data. So I left that out here. This service, this lab took quite a bit of time to produce. So you'll find this lab is a bit longer than our other ones, though I do find that there was a lot of great debugging in it, so it is worth our time, even though it was very challenging to get this to work correctly. Yeah, I mean, that's about it, okay?